So, five essential women wardrobe. What do you think?
Five essential women wardrobe. I would say track pants, pajamas, loose t-shirts, denims, and shorts. I've talked about all bottoms, but yeah, essentials.
Okay. Favorite go to look.
Favorite go-to look is joggers with a crop top with sneakers. My most comfortable and go-to look.
All right. Shopping strategy.
Stop shopping strategy is go on the first day of the sale season. First day, early in the morning, block that time. As soon as the doors open, go grab whatever you need to, and that's your best bet. So do that twice a year, and you're good.
That's amazing. Guilty indulgence.
Guilty indulgence. That's mostly with food, not with fashion. With fashion, it happens very rare, like very very rare. Generally with shoes.
Okay. A fashion advice you have received recently.
Fashion advice I have recently received is it's a very funny one. I don't even know how to say it, but off late somebody actually told me that why don't you show your abs if you have them? And I found that a little strange. I mean, honestly, I want to show my abs when I want to. They're my abs. I made them for me. But that was a really weird advice I got.
Okay. A fashion trend, one you love and one you hate.
The one I love is that people are very experimental. Fashion today, lots of things are acceptable, which used to not happen earlier. If you see, with the range of fashion that we've gone, high waist, low waist denims, which used to be in at a period of time, they are all in at the moment. So I love that you can, just wear anything and everything. The fashion trend that I don't like is, those denims which are extremely distressed and ripped. I have never been a fan of those. So those I really don't like.
All right. A homemade skin remedy.
Homemade skin remedy is something very simple. It's not the best because a lot of people get all icky about it, but it is egg and honey. I do often use that on my face and hair, and it's a fabulous remedy.
That's amazing. And one thing you regret buying.
One thing I regret buying. I think it would be bags and accessories. Basically, I'm not an accessory person. Even though sometimes I end up spending on them and I never end up using them. So I do regret it later.
Okay. Most expensive thing you have bought yet.
The most expensive thing in my wardrobe, I think, would be a pair of heels, which cost a bomb. I don't think I should be saying the price, but every time I look at them, I always think that if a thief ever comes into my house, these are the shoes I'll actually want to protect more than anything. Like, I'll run away with this.
All right. One thing that on your list to buy.
On my list to buy, I think there are a lot of things on my list at the moment. But if at all, it would be more shoes because I'm obsessed with shoes. I've always felt more shoes are never less. So yeah, that's always on my list.
All right. And one fashion icon, like in Bollywood.
Fashion icon. That's a little difficult. There are a lot of people who I admire for their fashion sense. A lot of them. I really like Sonam Kapoor's fashion sense. I really like, to name a few, I really like the way Malaika dresses. So there are lots of them, but these are on the top of like the list. So I just happen to name them.
All right. So before ending, as you talk about Rocket Gang, so how was it working with Aditya Sil, and when can we expect, like, when it will be on floors?
Working with him has been great. He's quite a notorious chap, always up to something. But it's been fun, of course. Also, the film is a dance-based film, so we've spent hours and hours rehearsing for it. In fact, we've been rehearsing since 2019. We've come a long way thanks to COVID. We've not been able to shoot it. But I'm hoping that we can wrap up things as soon as everything gets better and shoots can resume. we wrap it up soon. It was ideally set for release in the summer of 2021, but got delayed, and we are hoping to have it come out by the end of the year. So I really look forward to it because it's something very different. It's something that the audience has not seen me do. So I'm really hoping and waiting everybody can get to see that soon.
All right. And what message you would like to give to the fans and the followers, the viewers who are watching you?
First of all, it would be a big thank you for the love that you've been giving Bigg Bull since it's released, and all the comments and appreciation I've received for my performance in Bigg Bull. Thank you so much. And the second thing I would like to say is that please stay at home if required. If not required, don't step out, and wear your mask properly, like this, over your nose. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, and all the best for everything. And have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.